Welcome back to the Smart Home series. Today we're diving into one of the most important parts of building a reliable smart home. Discovering devices, adding them, and understanding the wireless technologies that make everything work. This is the point where your smart home stops being theoretical and starts becoming real, where sensors, switches, lights, and automations begin to work together. And it's also the point where many people get confused because there are different wireless protocols, different pairing methods, and different ways devices behave once connected. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know to confidently add devices to Home Assistant. We'll cover Zigbee, we'll cover Wi-Fi, we'll cover USB, Zigbee dongles. We'll cover mesh networks, and we'll cover scenes, groups, and basic controls. By the end, you'll be able to add almost any smart home device with confidence. Let's start with the basics. There are two main wireless technologies you'll encounter in the smart home world: Zigbee and Wi-Fi. They both have strengths, they both have weaknesses, and understanding them will help you build a smart home that's reliable, fast, and future-proof. Zigbee is designed specifically for smart home devices. It's low power, fast, reliable, and built around the idea of a mesh network. A mesh network means devices help each other communicate. Every mains-powered Zigbee device acts as a repeater. It extends the network, it strengthens the network, and it makes your smart home more stable as you add more devices. Battery devices don't repeat signals, but plugs, switches, bulbs, and modules do. This is one of the biggest advantages of Zigbee. Your network gets stronger the more devices you add. Zigbee also works locally. It doesn't rely on cloud services. So even if your internet goes down, your lights, sensors, and automations keep working. It's perfect for fast reactions, turning lights on instantly, triggering motion sensors, running automations without delay. But Zigbee does have limitations. It's not designed for high bandwidth devices. Cameras, speakers, and streaming devices should never use Zigbee. And you need a coordinator, usually a USB dongle, to run the network. Even with those limitations, Zigbee is the best choice for most smart home devices. It's faster, it's more reliable, it's more secure, it doesn't rely on the cloud, it scales better, and it creates a self-healing mesh network. Wi-Fi, on the other hand, is everywhere. Most homes already have it, and many smart home devices use it because it's familiar and easy. Wi-Fi is great for high bandwidth devices, cameras, smart speakers, smart TVs, anything that needs to stream data. But Wi-Fi has downsides. Too many devices can overload your router. Battery devices drain quickly. Many Wi-Fi devices rely on cloud servers. And Wi-Fi doesn't create a mesh network between devices. So Wi-Fi is good for certain things. But for sensors, switches, plugs, and lights, Zigbee is almost always the better choice. Now let's talk about how to actually use Zigbee with Home Assistant. You have two options. Use a Zigbee hub or use a USB Zigbee dongle. I strongly recommend using a dongle. When you use a dongle, you don't need a Philips Hue hub, you don't need an Aqara hub, you don't need a Tuya hub, you don't need any Zigbee hub at all. Everything is controlled directly by Home Assistant. You get full local control, you avoid cloud dependency, and you avoid vendor lock-in. This is the most flexible and future-proof way to run a Zigbee network. One of the biggest advantages of using a Zigbee dongle is that Philips Hue devices can be added directly to Home Assistant. No Hue hub, no Hue app, no cloud, no restrictions. Hue lights, Hue switches, Hue outdoor sensors, all of them can be paired directly with your Zigbee network. This saves money, reduces complexity, and gives you full control. Now let's talk about Zigbee repeaters and network planning. Zigbee is a mesh network. That means the more mains-powered devices you add, the stronger your network becomes. Any Zigbee device that plugs into mains power is a repeater. Smart plugs, smart switches, smart bulbs, in-wall modules, outdoor lights. Battery devices are not repeaters. Motion sensors, door sensors, temperature sensors, buttons, remotes. Repeaters extend your Zigbee range. They improve reliability, they reduce drop messages, and they help battery devices communicate. Think of your home like a map. You want Zigbee repeaters spread evenly throughout. 1 or 2 in each room, 1 in hallways, 1 near the stairs, 1 near the front door, 1 near the back door, 1 in the kitchen, 1 in the living room, 1 in the garage, 1 near the garden door, 1 in any outbuilding you want coverage in. You don't need to go crazy, but you do want a good spread. Small battery devices are fine, but they rely on repeaters to communicate. So make sure you have enough mains-powered Zigbee devices to create a strong mesh. One of the best things about Zigbee is how easily it can be extended outdoors. You can use outdoor smart plugs, outdoor lights, outdoor motion sensors, outdoor switches, waterproof Zigbee repeaters, Zigbee floodlights. These devices extend your mesh into gardens, patios, driveways, sheds, garages, workshops, and outbuildings. Zigbee typically reaches around 10 to 20 meters between repeaters. Walls reduce range. Brick reduces range more than plaster. Metal sheds block signals. Outdoor repeaters help bridge gaps. With good planning, you can cover your entire property. Now let's talk about Wi-Fi. If you're using Wi-Fi devices, you need a strong, reliable Wi-Fi network. For most homes, that means using mesh Wi-Fi. Mesh Wi-Fi uses multiple access points to create seamless coverage across your home. In my experience, TP-Link Deco systems work very well. They're easy to set up, they're reliable, they're affordable, and they're great for large homes, outbuildings, and gardens. They support Ethernet backhaul, guest networks, device isolation, automatic optimization, and seamless roaming. If you're using Wi-Fi devices, a mesh system like Deco makes everything more stable. Now let's get into the practical part, adding Zigbee devices. Step 1, plug your USB Zigbee dongle into your Home Assistant machine. Step 2, install ZHA or Zigbee 2 MQTT. ZHA is simple, Zigbee 2 MQTT is more advanced. Step 3, start pairing mode. Go to Settings, go to Devices and Services. Select ZHA or Zigbee 2 MQTT. Click Add Device. Step 4, put your device into pairing mode. Most Zigbee devices use one of these methods. Hold the button for 5 to 10 seconds. Press the reset pin. Turn the device on and off 5 times. Hold the power button until the LED flashes. Press the pairing button once, press it twice, or press and hold until the LED blinks rapidly. Step 5. Wait for discovery. Home Assistant will detect the device within a few seconds. Step 6. Rename the device. Give it a clear name. Kitchen motion sensor, front door contact sensor, living room lamp, garden floodlight, garage smart plug. Clear naming makes automation easier later. Wi-Fi devices work differently. Step 1. Use an app. SmartLife, Tuya, Meros, Tapo, Casa, Shelly, Goving, or the manufacturer's app. Step 2. Connect the device to Wi-Fi. The app will guide you through powering the device, putting it into pairing mode, and connecting it to your network. Step 3. Add the integration in Home Assistant. Go to Settings. Go to Devices and Services. Click Add Integration. Search for the app. Log in. Authorize Home Assistant. Your devices appear automatically. Using apps with integrations ensures better compatibility, easier setup, and firmware updates. Once devices are added, you can control them directly. Lights can be turned on and off. Brightness can be adjusted. Color and color temperature can be changed. Effects and transitions can be applied. Switches and plugs can be turned on and off. Power monitoring and energy usage can be viewed. Sensors provide motion, contact, temperature, humidity, and light level readings. Buttons and remotes support single press, double press, long press, hold and release actions. All of these can be used in automations. Scenes let you set multiple devices to specific states at once. Movie mode, relax mode, bright morning, garden party, night lights. all off. To create a scene, go to Settings, go to Automations and Scenes, click Add Scene, choose Devices, set their states, save the scene. Scenes can be triggered by buttons, motion sensors, schedules, voice assistants, automations, or dashboards. Groups let you control multiple devices as one. Living room lights, garden lights, kitchen lights, upstairs lights, all Zigbee plugs, all outdoor lights. To create a group, go to Settings, go to Devices and Services, click Helpers, add a light group or switch group, select Devices, save. Groups make control easier and cleaner. By now, you should have a solid understanding of Zigbee, Wi-Fi, USB dongles, repeaters, mesh networks, pairing methods, scenes, and groups. This is the foundation of a reliable smart home. Once you understand how devices connect and communicate, everything else becomes easier. In the next video, we'll build on this by creating automations that make your home truly smart.